All right. Now that we are able to activate our environment, let's begin with our installation of our packages. So we'll go straight to our browser and then go to Fast API documentation. We'll then pick this link and then go to tutorial user guide. So as you can see, everything is stated here, how to run your code and how to install. So first of all, we need to install it. So this is the command. This is the pip command for installing the Fast API. So you can just copy it. I want to copy. I just copy it. Come back to our VS Code. Come back to our VS Code and then paste it. Then press enter. This will install all that we need to build this project. So as you can see, the installation is going on. This will take a little while because it's installing a lot of packages or libraries that we'll need for this application. Yes, so now installation is done. Discard this warning because I'm not far from the new version of pip that I'm using. So now we are able to install Fast API, our core framework to use.